Okay, a lot of the people ask me, what do you do about insects? Well, the first thing I'm going to tell you, when we grow into FarmDaddies, there's no insects from the ground that we deal with. We've already eliminated the nematodes and other insects in the ground because we're not planting in the ground. But we still deal with whiteflies, aphids, and caterpillars. That's our biggest insect problem that we have, and mainly during the summer. During the spring and the winter, we don't really deal with anything, but summertime we do have insects. So what we choose to do is stay organic, and we use 3 different products for that. And Dipole is one of them, and that controls our caterpillars. It's made from a mushroom compound, and it's made from bacillia. You could spray your plants and eat the same day. Another product that we use is Spinosa, and that controls our whiteflies and our aphids and leaf miners. And another product is called neem oil. But the neem oil, is the problem with that is if you spray it in the middle of the day, it'll sunburn your plants. You want to make sure you catch it the very evening of the day as the sun's setting. Spray the bottoms of the plant, of the leaves, as well as the top, because that's where the aphids live, is on the underneath of the leaf. It's really simple, folks. It's not much to it. You just stay on top of it, use your natural organic remedies, and you stay organic. Another thing you're going to learn about planting is what zone you're in. The United States has several zones. Right here in Central Florida, we're in zone number 9. And we're going to be different than South Florida, which is zone 10. So what you want to do is go to the internet or your county extension office, and they're going to have guides on there. What zone are you in and what to plant for what time of the month. Very important. You don't want to plant a spring crop in the middle of the summer. It won't thrive. But there's lots to choose from. It's really simple. Another thing you want to do is learn how to stake up your plants. There are certain plants that vine, such as our tomatoes, our bell peppers, eggplants. They need to be supported, because as they grow, the fruit gets so heavy, the plant will actually break. So what I do, and I have one right here next to me, is I get a couple of staking rods and I wrap this little wire fence around it, and I stick this right down into the FarmDaddy next to the plants, and as I tie the plants to the fencing as they grow, it supports the plant. So you want to support your vining plants. You want to plant in the season that the plants were designed to grow in optimally. Some plants require more warmth, some require to be in cool weather. And of course, your insect control is very simple, and try to stay organic if you can, because you're going to eat what you put on your plants. Okay, if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us. I'll also call up your local county extension office, and it's a free service, and it's usually run by the university in each state. Okay guys, let me know if I can help you. We'll see you soon.